Hi everyone, welcome to another pandemic में panel discussion. Okay, and this one is brought to you by Axe. Okay, they reminded me that I have a YouTube channel, and the password of that channel is Axe123 star. All right. So today we have
Hashtag true story.
hashtag true story. Today we have two of my best friends and wonderful comedians, Vaibhav Sethia. Who's still doing comedy, by the way, and we have retired comedian Saurav Ghosh. Welcome, guys.
Hello. I got some offers to do shows during the puja.
Yeah.
And although I'm retired as a comedian, the money is good, so I may unretire in this puja.
Okay, so so that brings us to the topic of the day.
Whoa.
Today's topic is Durga Puja, and we have three comedians who was born and brought up in Calcutta to talk about Durga Puja.
Any of the characters apart from Durga Ma having like a long beard, because I think उसको फिर घोष को एक play में भी मिलेगा. Can you please play one of the live?
घोष merge हो जाएगा.
I'm pretty sure in like one of the pandals, this face could have been the Asur's face.
Yeah, this 100% this is the Asur's face in many pandals I've seen from childhood. Okay, Saurav, just do like this.
It is so natural, dude.
No, this is, in fact, I had a bit about it. I think Weber would remember. So, okay, see, it is ultimately a visual of violence, right? Where Ma Durga is killing Mahishasur. But it's so gracefully done.
Yeah.
Like, it's not even like a serious fight, because like Ma Durga is not even looking at the guy, she's like this, like, and that guy who's getting killed, he's like smiling, he's happy to get it.
Oh man, dude, very very glad to get Mahishasur from his busy schedule to join us during this. Like I'm sure you have a lot of gigs.
I have a feeling अगर कुछ time बाद like if not too many people exactly remember कि how Mahishasur used to look या उसके features क्या थे, I think घोष को डाल सकते हैं. Like people will buy if घोष is just put as Mahishasur.
और कैलकाटा में actually कुछ भी चीज महिषासुर बन सकती है. Because you remember the time when Greg Chappell को बना दिया था महिषासुर.
Yeah.
What? Really?
Yeah.
Was Ganguly
Calcutta
also?
Bengalis hate. Okay, उस टाइम पे सौरभ गांगुली का वो सब चल रहा था. तो उसका जो गुस्सा है वो इस पे डाल देते हैं. महिषासुर को बनाए थे. Like इस साल कोविड को बना देंगे. कुछ ऐसा होगा.
Was that like a Ganguly special pandal made? Like कि हाँ उसमें Greg Chappell को महिषासुर बनाएंगे.
100% sure.
उस पंडाल में लेग साइड होगा ही नहीं है, ऑफ साइड होगा, खाली ऑफ साइड होगा. There's only one side of the pandal and this side is no entry.
Oh dude, I think I have seen all kinds of pandals in my life. मतलब I've seen like एक ताश का pandal. The whole thing is just cards. Then every second pandal is like some recycled thing happening. कुछ भी इधर उधर.
Yeah, waste bottles का. Thumbs up Coca-Cola वैसा प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स का मैंने देखा है.
Dude,
बट थम्स अप कोका-कोला का तो शो नहीं है ना, ये एक्स का शो है.
I तो first learned about Harry Potter from Durga Puja pandal.
There's a thing ये शुरुचि शंगो करके वो लोग क्या करते हैं कि हर बार एक कोई नया स्टेट ले लेते हैं. तो वो स्टेट का थीम पे होता है, जिससे कभी जम्मू कश्मीर हो गया, कभी अंडमान हो गया, या कभी कुछ भी हो गया, महाराष्ट्र हो गया. तो ऐसे ऐसे करते जा रहे हैं. बट प्रॉब्लम है कि अभी खत्म हो गया और उनके पास
But an exhaustive plan.
I think next year the theme is Chittagong.
I think उनको अपना business आगे बढ़ाने के लिए they'll have to come into national power.
Yeah.
State बढ़ाने के
make more states.
Yeah.
This is a thing that I and my wife we discuss. Like whenever we see a puja, she has this thing. She says either of the two things. Like it will be a compliment to whatever she's seeing, the pandal. And the idol, but the compliment has like two varieties. Either she would say that এটা সাবেকি. Shabeki means traditional. So this is traditional. So or she would say এটা নতুনত্ব. Means which is this is modern. So there are no bad pandals or nothing. So either it is shabeki or it is নতুনত্ব.
So what are your plans for Durga Puja this year?
But I think all the time that I ever lived in Calcutta, my plans were always how to get out of Calcutta during that
Yeah,
time, during
yeah.
Durga Puja.
Relatable.
Because it's just क्योंकि मतलब पूरा जगह सब जगह जैम रहता है, सब कुछ यही हो रहा है, जहाँ जाओ कहीं तुम जा नहीं सकते. So it's best to just get out of the city because even if you're in the house, like you just hear too much noise all the time.
Yeah.
And like honestly ठीक है तुम जाते थे पूजा देखने कभी कभार, but like the entire day is not packed with that, right?
Yeah. And
I
you
used
know,
to
like,
just go.
हाँ.
But this is the first time in my life that I'm planning to go to Calcutta during Durga Puja.
Yeah, my relationship with Durga Puja is exactly like my relationship with parents. Okay, first 15-20 years I was totally into it. Okay, and after that, so I used to like really enjoy it and all. Then after that, I had a rebel phase where like whenever Durga Puja came, I just left the country, not even the city. Okay, like Malaysia, Thailand.
क्योंकि
And
हर
now-
स्टेट में कोई ना कोई वर्जन ऑफ पूजा हो रहा है अभी.
Yeah,
Almost.
उधर भी हो रहा है. And now I'm at that stage where I miss it. Just like, oh, I miss my parents when I'm in a different
it's
city.
called like midlife crisis. ऐसा सबके साथ होता है.
Dude, I think the most thing that I miss about puja is the food though, like just extra.
Yeah.
Like I think वो उस टाइम पे 3-4 दिन तो मतलब नॉन स्टॉप खाली जाके स्ट्रीट फूड, और fortunately उस टाइम पे बॉडी सहन कर लेती थी.
Yeah.
So,
So that's what I want to ask you guys. In today's chat is that see Durga Puja means different things to different people, right? In very different proportions. So that I've like thought of like 5 elements that make up Durga Puja, or 5 things that I associate with Durga Puja, and I want to like just ask you how much of Durga Puja is these elements. So one is food for sure.
my wife was telling me कि उनके भी ऐसा कॉम्प्लेक्स के अंदर वो बनता था, एंड देन शी वाज लाइक तो हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा बाहर तो नहीं जाते थे, बट क्योंकि हम लोग के अंदर ही वो फूड स्टॉल्स लग, एंड शी सेड दैट दे यूज्ड टू 5 दिन तक घर में खाना ही नहीं खाते थे. 5 दिन 5 days घर में खाना नहीं खाते थे. एंड उनका था ऐसा लाइक ग्रुप बना हुआ था ना दोस्तों का, बिल्डिंग का, एंड द मैसेज वाज ऑलवेज सेंड 5 दिन पहले ही कि पूजोज आर कमिंग, गेट योर जेलुसिल, स्टॉक अप ऑन जेलुसिल. जस्ट क्योंकि वो पूरा 5 दिन मतलब क्या क्या खाएंगे, कोई सिर्फ स्ट्रीट फूड, 5 दिन स्ट्रीट फूड नॉन स्टॉप.
In fact, like in Bombay, whenever I go to Durga Pujas, I just go to have. So I got it also. So I have this Demet Devil. You guys remember this?
कितना इस बार 3 डजन से कम लिया या
हाँ,
ज्यादा लिया?
इस बार मैं 4 लिया, 4 सिर्फ 4. The Demet Devil can't be like you can't have Demet Devil in isolation. You need to have like 4-5 together.
I think अनिर्बान इस बार डिमांड डेविल लेने गया होगा, वो बोला होगा सर इस बार 4 डजन नहीं 4.
I honestly like either in Bombay, like I go to 2 Durga Puja pandals, one in Powai and one in Bandra, and I just go to have Demet Devil. And I have to go in the morning, afternoon, because if you go too late, it's over. It's sold out. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
And also during pujas, if you go to that, there's a Bandra में I think होता है एक रामकृष्ण मिशन का कुछ एक होता है दुर्गा पूजा, and उसमें the fries that they sell, the aloo chop, the pyajis and those things, those are just like when I have those things, then I feel like then I really believe in the divine. मेरे को लगता है कि हाँ सच में भगवान है, नहीं तो इतना अच्छा खाना भगवान के पास कैसे आता है, क्योंकि वो खिचड़ी होता है ना, कोई भी पूजा का तुम सोच लो, वो पूजा का जो खिचड़ी होता है, उफ, दैट इज जस्ट, वो घर पे नहीं बनता. वो आप कितना भी घी डालो, जो भी करो, कुछ भी करो, बट वो पूजा के टाइम पे कुछ होता है, एंड दैट इज व्हेन इट मेक्स मी अ बिलीवर.
मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता था कि लाइक खाने में आई थिंक लूची आलू एंड ऑल, लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ वर्जन्स ऑफ लूची used to be added. Luchi is just, I think it's softer bhatura. It's a softer, more like doughy version of bhatura, I feel.
Everybody who's ever lived in Calcutta eaten a chicken roll from those, not the proper shop. If you ever have it from those little, stalls, the temporary stalls they have, I swear that's not chicken, and some dogs are missing.
Vaibhav is very happy listening to this. Vaibhav is the happiest. He's like, I have no stakes in this. So food is one. Another thing that we have already touched upon a little bit is pandal hopping. Okay, and that's a big part of Durga Puja. Like just doing an all-nighter Like, you know,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
something that I used to do, especially when I just started learning how to drive a car. Because, you know, I think in those days, drunk driving was also legal in Kolkata. And, you know, but the thing is, it's impossible to like pandal hop at night with a car. Because then you're completely handicapped. You don't know where to park it. You don't know, like, it's just traffic. रात को 3 बजे traffic. नॉर्थ कैलकाटा और ये सब जाते थे हम लोग उस टाइम पे.
पार्किंग तो मेरे को याद है, मतलब 2 किलोमीटर की तो लाइन है, लाइक द रियली फेमस पंडाल्स दे यूज्ड टू हैव लाइक 1-1 2-2 किलोमीटर का लाइन पूरा, एंड देन पार्किंग उससे 1 किलोमीटर दूर. तो
Yeah.
इट वाज लाइक सुबह मॉर्निंग जॉग पे निकले.
So it's a very simple formula. You just calculate the number of friends you have,
Yeah.
and then you calculate the number of days you have, which is 4. And then you divide. Like if you have like 8 people, then you have to do double shift.
Yeah.
किसी के साथ दोपहर को निकलो, किसी के साथ शाम को निकलो, यही है.
Dude, you know, I remember this one story from when I was very small. I think I was like 5-6 years. I don't really remember, mid 90s. Okay, and Borisha, which is like, you know, further ahead of Behala, Thakurpukur, that part of town. Udhar my grandmother used to stay, and उनके कॉम्प्लेक्स में 2 पंडाल होता था, एक मेन पंडाल और एक आउटलॉस के लिए एक स्मॉल पंडाल. ओके, सो माय मॉम यूज्ड टू टेक मी देयर, and there used to be an elocution competition. Okay, like वो दुर्गा माँ के सामने like stage होता था, तो you are like standing in front, पीछे background में the whole like, you know, the whole Pratibha is there, and you have to do elocution. And I used to just say no. ठीक है, I used to run away to the other smaller pandal, and like, you know, this was like an ongoing battle. So my mom prepared me for 1 year कि नेक्स्ट दुर्गा पूजा में पक्का इसको एलोक्यूशन कंपटीशन में डालेगा एंड लाइक, यू नो, लाइक रटाया मेरे से सब कुछ एंड ये वो. तो नेक्स्ट दुर्गा पूजा में मेरे को चढ़ा दिया स्टेज पे. ठीक है, एक हाथ में एक बॉटल था, मेरे को याद है. एंड यू नो, आई लाइक, आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइज नो दिस, आई डिड दैट पोएम बाय टेगोर which is called Kolikata Choli Ache Norite Norite. You know, it's a very very popular thing for kids. Like I remember a few lines अभी भी, like इतना रटाया था ना मेरे को मम्मी एक साल तक कि 2-4 लाइन तो मेरे को अभी भी याद है. एक बीच में
बॉटल
ऐसा
क्या
कुछ
था
था
हाथ में,
कि
दूसरा बॉटल में क्या था?
कुछ नहीं, पानी.
अच्छा, ये क्या है? What is this mandatory? Okay.
So I remember it was something like, you know, बीच में एक लाइन आता था, हावड़ा ब्रिज चले मस्त से पीछे, हैरिसन रोड चले तार पीछे पीछे, एंड द एंड लाइन वाज कोलिकाता आचे कोलिकाता थे. सो लाइक, यू नो, आई जस्ट हैड इट like पूरा रटा हुआ था, एंड आई वेंट एंड like, you know, did it. And I think that was my first stage performance, for sure.
Dude, same. I have the same story. I did Jivananando Dasher Bonalata Shen.
Oh, yeah,
My
I've heard
mother
that.
made me memorize that, and I still remember. Actually, that's the only Bengali poem I remember. It was Chultar Kobekar Jano Bidishar Nisha Mukhtar Jano Shabustir Karukarjo. Full drama.
अरे
I have
this
no
one
idea
also,
what it means.
this one also started like एक दिन राते हमें स्वप्न देखिनु, like, you know, it's like fully like crazy. And then my mom was so happy that finally after 1 year's mehnat she got me up on stage, and she took a lot of photos, you know, in those Kodak cameras she had. Like her aim for that entire year was that ki, you know, will put me up on stage and then take photos and all. But then the best part is when she came back, she realized she forgot to put the reel inside the camera. I think that's where Afsos was born.
That is poetic justice.
I wanted us to make our own versions of Durga Puja in a form of a pie chart. Okay, so food is done. Traffic, pandal hopping is one, so that's done. What about dating, guys? This is a thing in Calcutta, okay? Like how Saraswati Puja is our Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
You know, that's the thing. So, you know, Durga Puja is like a festival, okay? Like, it's like
No, I
swipe
mean, I
right,
can
swipe
understand
left
why it
festival.
happens. But what I feel is that, dude, this is October. This is
Yeah.
just when the monsoons are about to finish. It is the hottest, humidest combination that can be. It is, oh yeah, exactly. Dude, मैं बताऊँ, if I ever, मैं मतलब कभी ऐसा पंडाल, मैं उस टाइम पे उस फेज में आ गया था, अक्टूबर में. अगर यूजुअली ना, like these months, रेनी वेरी में, तो if I had to go out, I used to carry 2 t-shirts. एक डिक्की में रख के रखता था मैं कि मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा, मैं चेंज कर लूँगा, क्योंकि खत्म पूरा यार. मतलब एक पंडाल अगर एक पंडाल पूरा अगर चल लो ना लाइन में, तुम निकलने के बाद पूरा, मतलब मैं आई यूज्ड टू हैव ऐसा पूरा यहाँ तक, सिर्फ यहाँ नहीं, खाली यहाँ तक पूरा ऐसे का
In memory of this, let me spray this on you.
and I used to carry a deodorant only. You know why? Because perfume कांच का बॉटल जितना तो मतलब आदमी मेरे में उतना यही नहीं था ना कि हाँ मैं संभाल के रख पाऊंगा, ये पक्का तोड़ूंगा मैं कहीं ना कहीं. So I used to carry a deodorant. कि हाँ यार ये क्या कर सकते हैं.
Actually, Vaibhav, like I think you sweat a lot, no? Like more than the average, right? And एक बार हमें याद है कि हम लोग कहीं पे गए थे, वो like the place was a 0-degree thing or something like that. Like it was like free. That was a thing. और Vaibhav उधर भी टी-शर्ट चेंज कर रहा है.
I remember.
Like I've actually met a lot of people who've got a new partner during the pujas and all.
Same here.
Yeah, matlab because it's a great excuse, no? They're like, matlab, how do you ask a woman out? You know, like you can either ask, hey, would you go for coffee? But Calcutta में तो लोग चाय पीते हैं, जो भी है तो, और चाय शादी से रिलेट होता है, तो उतना दूर नहीं जाते. तो rather what people say, पूजा के टाइम के लिए वेट करते बोलो. जैसे पूजा के टाइम आता है, उससे पहले बोलते हैं, षष्ठी दिन की कोचिश.
Yeah. Dude, actually, now that I think about it, it's actually great. Like जिनके like अगर कहीं तुम suppose say for example you want to go meet a guy or a girl, anyone, and their parents like तुमको बोलने में ऐसे घर में लग रहा है कि मैं क्या बोलूँगा अभी, क्यों बोलूँ ये वो, मैं पूजा देखने जा रहा हूँ. It's like no one says कोई yes no का कोई डाउट ही नहीं है, हाँ जाएगा ही, obvious है.
And also if you ask a girl out, hey षष्ठी दिन की कोचिश, and she says that I'm going out with my friends or family, then you are like, okay, what about Ashtami?
All right. So the next element I want to talk about is shopping. Shopping is a big deal in Durga Puja.
I feel like shopping is 50% of Durga Puja.
Really?
Because Durga Puja, otherwise everything else, food, ये तो वो 4 दिन का है. Shopping का लिए तो बाप रे बाप.
1 महीने का है.
हाँ, वो 2-3 महीने से चलता है हमारे यहाँ पे यार.
तो
उसको क्या दे, उसको क्या ना दे, उसका साइज क्या है, वो आजकल ये पहनता है कि नहीं, स्वेटर दे दे, विंटर तो आ रहा है. एंड तेरा साइज में हुआ ना, फिट हुआ ना, नहीं तो मैं आके रिप्लेस कर दूंगा. ये तो इट्स नेवर एंडिंग.
And I think Calcutta में, I don't know if other states also do this, that they उनका major मतलब religious festival के time पे they like they all the stores have discounts. Like Calcutta just flows with discounts all over.
Yeah.
Because Pujo is a time. It coincidentally comes with the time where summer collection would end and winter collection
Dude, this
would
is
begin
so
also.
true because I used to sell furniture. Dude, I used to sell racks. Okay, storage racks. And उसमें भी पूजा में डिस्काउंट देते थे हम लोग. There's no connection.
अचानक से लोग खर्चने के मूड में आ गए लोग. ये माहौल ही ऐसा हो गया.
And finally, the final element of Durga Puja that I want to discuss is religion. Because if you guys have forgotten, it is supposed to be a religious festival, but we never talk about that during Durga Puja at all.
You know, like initially, so like I consider myself agnostic, and so what I would do is that, like, but my wife isn't, and she really likes celebrating during Durga Puja, and so do I. But मेरा एक initially वो एक था कि अरे मैं पंडाल के अंदर नहीं जाऊँगा. Because I'm like a young Bengali rebel. I don't believe. I'm not sure. The agnostic is not. I don't believe. I'm not sure. हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. But I don't know. तो मैं क्या करता था initially in the first initial years of college, और वो थोड़ा cool भी लगता है college के time पे. तो मैं क्या करता था, my wife, I would just take her to the pandal. I would wait outside. And she would just walk in. Okay, so my ये thing was rebel was that मैं अंदर नहीं जाऊँगा. And I did that for like a couple of years, and then I figured out it's very stupid. अगर मैं इतना दूर जा ही रहा हूँ तो जाके अंदर भी चला जाता हूँ ना. And मैं अंदर जाता था, और now तो I like it. Now I don't it's because I understood. I mean that religion is just the what do you call the backdrop.
Because I remember that before I went to a Durga Puja Pandal to see Ma Durga, I had gone to a Durga Puja Pandal to see Sanat Jayasuriya inaugurate a Pandal. Okay, like literally that was my priority list. Okay, there was a Pandal in Behala which he had come to inaugurate way back in the day, and I was like, I must watch Sanat Jayasuriya.
Wow.
Yeah. Shopping, I already said 50%, right?
Shopping 50%. What about you, Vaibhav?
वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, I think 40% कर लेते हैं.
40 कर ले, क्योंकि पांच चीजें फिट करना है ना तेरे को.
40% food, मैं पहले अपना कर लेता हूँ, ठीक है?
ठीक है, कर ले.
Food, I would say is 33.3. इंटीजर में भी जा सकते हैं ना,
हाँ हाँ कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
बट किसी को हिसाब करना पड़ेगा मेरे लिए.
हाँ हाँ वो रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है.
Fuck, I'm at 73.5 and I have to do 100, right? तो ओके, और क्या बाकी है? ट्रैफिक, आई डोंट थिंक ट्रैफिक इज बैड. लाइक आई नो इट्स वेरी ये फॉर यू गाइस, बट लाइक आई there's fun in that.
Okay,
I would
okay.
say actually so traffic I would give say 10%. तो 83.3 के साथ अभी इसको कर लेते हैं 17.7. तो अभी क्या हो गया? Oh shit, 100 हो गया, नहीं हो गया. एक काम करते हैं 7.7 कर देते हैं.
7.67.
7.67.
हाँ.
अच्छा ठीक है, तो उससे कितना हो गया?
90.
90. और बाकी क्या बाकी है?
Religion.
रिलीजन. हाँ रिलीजन. एक काम करते हैं.
हाँ.
वो जो पहले हमने शॉपिंग को उसको 45 कर देते हैं और रिलीजन को 5 करके 100 कर देते हैं. ठीक है, डन.
मेरे लिए तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है लाइक 50% फॉर मी इज फूड.
50% food.
हाँ हाँ श्योर.
Yeah.
क्योंकि मेरा मतलब सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा ही कि हम बाकी सब चीज पर खाना. लाइक एवरी सेंटेंस ऑफ एवरी रीजनिंग इन माई हेड एंड्स कि हाँ बाकी खाना. लाइक वो तो होना ही है. And I think I do buy a lot of stuff, so I think maybe I can give the remaining 25% of it to shopping at least.
Okay, 75
Yeah.
done.
Wait, no, wait. Actually, I should interchange. Traffic is 25% because that becomes a big crazy thing.
100 done.
Yeah. No, wait. Traffic is 25%. Shopping is 20%.
Okay,
Shopping is
95.
slightly lesser than traffic. Traffic becomes a big concern. मैं उससे भी ज़्यादा सोचता हूँ.
Fair.
And dating and religion. मतलब मैं
You got 5 points left.
मैं डेटिंग को 4% और रिलीजन को 1% दूंगा.
Beautiful. Okay, 90% to food. Okay. And then I think traffic. Yeah, traffic I'll give because it's traffic and like this whole thing of pandal hopping and all. I would give it.
हाँ निर्बान मेरे को लगता है शॉपिंग को माइनस दे देगा.
हाँ, shopping
मैं उस
मेरे
टाइम
में
पे
नहीं है
कपड़े
shopping.
दे देता हूँ.
Actually shopping
मैं
like.
खरीदता नहीं हूँ, दे देता हूँ.
अरे मेरा शॉपिंग का सीन है कि मेरा मम्मी पापा बहुत कुछ शॉप करता था मेरे लिए जब मैं छोटा था. पर आई नेवर लाइक फेल्ट कि अरे अक्टूबर में चीजें खरीदना है. डूड लाइक आई जनवरी में भी चलेगा. लाइक ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. लाइक व्हाट अबाउट आई वांट होली शॉपिंग एंड ऑल. लाइक वो सब भी चलते हैं. तो yeah so food 90, traffic yeah like I'm just thinking traffic the 10
अरे
point
इतना ऑफिशियल कुछ नहीं है, तू एक दे दे.
कल कोई आएगा यार ये हाँ यार ये कैसे किया यार.
ठीक है. ट्रैफिक 9 फूड 90 ट्रैफिक 9 रिलीजियन 1 डन.
चलो ठीक है, तेरा पाई चार्ट. और एक काम करना, पाई चार्ट को लूची का शेप में बना लेना.
So thank you so much guys for doing this. Thank you Vaibhav and Saurav and thank you to everyone who watched this conversation and special thanks to Axe for allowing us to do this. And remember, Actana Matamati Hoye Jak, freshness Sharadin Shate Thak.
अनिर्बान आउट यो.
Remember Kolkata chili ache norite norite.
चूलता आर को बेकार जो भी दिशा दिशा.
मेरे को भी कहते हैं टिक टिकी बोले ना कि टिक टिकी कर.